Hi, I'm Sean with Amped Up Marine, and today we're going to be taking an unboxing video of the Fusion NRX300 wired remote. This is a NEMA 2000 powered wired remote. This will just has a black and white display. This will allow you to control volume, song selection, and also has a NEMA 2000 repeater in it, so you can get depth and other information on the display of the unit. When you open up the box, you will have the unit suspended and some packaging there. Underneath all of that, you will have your NEMA 2000 cable and T-connector. This is a pretty long cable. You will have a mounting gasket, documentation. Under that, you will have your trim pieces and then some mounting hardware. Looking at the unit itself, do a nice job at packaging this in there. You have a included silicone protective cover, and then the unit itself is NEMA 2000 powered as mentioned. There is about probably a 5 to 6 foot cable, 4 foot cable hanging off the back of this. So if your NEMA network is close by, this will plug directly into the T connector. Round mounting hole to get the unit through, 4 mounting screws on the edges, and then as mentioned there are trim covers. You have a nice volume knob here. It has a very good click rotary feeling to it. You have a power button, source button, backtrack, play pause, next track, and then you also have your menu button up here. This is fully functioned, so after it selects the radio itself, you will have control over zones and all of your music. You can also, I believe, lock this to a zone. Again, a black and white display, allows you to see song text. And that is the Fusion NRX300i. I'm Sean from Amped Up Marine. You'll find the product in the link below, and thanks for watching.